Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of x multiplied with sec x squared to the power of 8. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we go about u equal to x to the power of 2. So we got about the u equal to 2x dx. Because we don't have the number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides with number 2. This one we change for u. S dx we change to du over 2. Next, about this one, we need to separate them into sec to the power of 6 and sec u to the power of 2. Next, we have sec u to the power of 2 equals to 1 plus tan u to the power of 2. So in here we have sec u to the power of 6. We need to change to sec. We need to change to 1 plus tan u squared to the power of 3. Because in here we have number 2, but we have number 6. 6 divided by 2, you got the power of 3 in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we will about z equals to tan u dz equals to du or du multiplied with sec u squared. This one we change for z and you got about power 2. This one we change to dz. Now we need to expand this one. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of number 1, you got about z. The integral of 3z squared, you got about z to the power of 3. The integral of 3z to the power of 4, you got about 3 over 5. Z to the power of 5. And the last one, about z, we change back for tan u. And the last one, about u, we need to change back for x squared. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.